Hey guys, we're the Boggs family.
My name is Jude. My name is Josiah.
I'm Kathy.
And I'm John Boggs, and we all work with Ambassadors Football, and we're serving here in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. We just wanted to wish you all a great big sneeze.